Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, where we take sewing machines, open them up, and then do a video on every page of the manual. Now today's manual, it's a long one. This is the Pfaff Creative Icon, and we're excited to get to the videos of all the sewing options that this machine will do, plus all the embroidery machine parts and features and amazing things. This is Pfaff's current top-of-the-line machine, and these videos are good whether you own it and you know you're not using it to its fullest, or you're considering purchasing this machine. These are a great way to kind of see all its capabilities. Now, just to note, there is a Pfaff performance icon also. That is a sewing machine only. So it doesn't come with the embroidery unit. It is a sewing machine only, has just a few less stitches, but it has all the features. So if you do own that machine, I hope you'll follow all the videos that are for the sewing part, and you also will be able to gain so much more experience. Now, we're going to open it up and see what all comes in these fabulous big boxes. But before I do it, I want to just mention that the quilts behind me are from our Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course. And this is where you can learn more about the accessory feet available for this machine and how to use all those wonderful decorative stitches. So this quilt is what we make in the course. You will watch me make every single block. There's over 18 different presser feet and over 25 different sewing techniques. And that's beyond just what we are doing in these videos. Now, if you want to jump ahead and master the embroidery side of your machine, I recommend you take a look at our Embroidery Essentials online course, where you work through 15 different embroidery techniques. And by doing that, you become a master of your embroidery machine. So we'll put links below this YouTube video so you can check those out. So without any further ado, let me go ahead and start to show you what comes with and in these ginormous boxes. Now, one thing I do love is how wonderful easy it is to pack up and open up a machine. So everything is laid on top. So we're going to start with a soft cover that helps protect the screen if you're not using it, or if you're traveling. That's one way that you can do it. Of course, Pfaff does offer like roller bags that you can get, makes it much easier to go to classes with. Foot control. Power cord is retractable, so if you can't find the plug-in, it's right here. Power cord, and there is an accessory bag, which, to tell you the truth, I've already opened and put in the machine, so it's already in there, but there'll be a pouch of accessories, and then a slide-on table that has all the places to put everything. Warranty, 20 years on this machine, 5 years on circuit boards, and 1 year service and labor warranty. Check with your local Pfaff dealer for any of those specific questions. So this is the book that has all the built-in embroidery designs that come with this machine. And then there is what's called a user's guide. Now, this user's guide is really thin. This is like your basic get started user's guide, but there is a 200-page downloadable manual you can print off if you choose to. Open it up on a device where you can look at it, but the entire manual, and I'm going to show you, is in this machine. It's built in. So you don't have to have all that printed material. For those of you who do and prefer that, just go ahead and search for the Pfaff Creative Icon manual, and that PDF will come up. Again, we'll put a link to it in the video description below. All right, last thing that's on top here is a foot control. It's not a foot control. It's a presser foot lifter. So many people call it a foot control, and it's not. That's why that came out. But yes, you can lift and lower the presser foot. This is an option, but because the machine actually will do it for you. So you actually have two totally different ways of opening or lifting the presser foot, and that is going to be up to you which one is easiest. Now, I'm going to go ahead and set this on the floor, and we're going to pull out the machine. So of top-of-the-line sewing machines, this is actually one of the lighter ones. Even though it's big and it is heavy, if you were to compare top-of-the-line machines as of right now, this is actually not that heavy in comparison. Trust me, I've had to lift some of the other ones, and they take a little bit more muscle than this one does, but I do love how much space it has. Look at that touch screen. We're going to have the Pfaff IDT, which is like the built-in walking foot, all on board. And wait till we plug it in, because it lights up so much. There's lights all the way across here and all the way down. This is the accessory box I was talking about. We've got it loaded up with accessories. That will be one of the first videos we do where we show you everything that comes with this machine. Okay, so next up, let's open up the embroidery unit box. So one thing nice about this particular part of the machine is it already comes with its own carrying case. So when you open it up, this is exactly how it comes. You can really decide if you want to keep this box or not, because this has got like built-in styrofoam. As we open it up, everything is included in here. You've actually got 3 embroidery hoops. You should check out the biggest hoop that comes with this machine. It comes with it. And I say that because not all machines, top-of-line embroidery machines, come with its largest available hoop. This machine does. This is the 360 by 260. So that is like 14 inches tall by 10 inches wide. So that's a nice big embroidery area. So this just lifts up and out. Again, that's the part I would keep, so when you do pack it up and travel, that it stays nice and protected. So a couple straps and embroidery unit. That's how easy it is. Now I have actually opened this, so I've already removed it, but there is a red clip. If you flip your embroidery unit over and there is a red clip in it, all you have to do is squeeze it, pull it out, and throw that clip away. That's just for kind of shipping purposes, but it will not work if that clip is left in. So make sure you pull it out. There's a little note in here too about that particular piece being in the way, and you do have to remove it. 2 more hoops fit nicely into the bottom of this. There is a 260 by 200 hoop that's about 8 across by 10-ish up, and then a 5 by 5 hoop. So that's a nice collection. Of course, Pfaff does allow us to have some amazing optional hoops. So when you are ready to get more advanced and you want more specific hoop space, that actually is, there's lots and lots available. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. Once we take that accessory box on, you slide the embroidery unit on, and then you can pick up where our embroidery videos start, and you'll be ready to learn everything I just opened up and pulled out of this case. So I can't wait to get started. We've got over 120 videos to do for you, and you'll be able to find all of them kind of hanging out together at thesewingmastery.com. Of course, if you're just searching for anything on this machine, type it in and YouTube will find it for you as well. So again, check out the links for our Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course. You can watch 10 videos for free, including something I'll be talking about quite a bit. It's how do you make your own stitch book. And by making a stitch book that's stitching out all your decorative stitches, trust me, you become such good friends with this fabulous machine. Head over to our Embroidery Essentials online course. And if you want to become a master in the shortest amount of time, go from 0 to hero, that's really the class that you want to take. So let us know what works for you. I will see you as we start into a very long list of videos that we will do for this fabulous machine.